This is the question asked in today's SkillRack daily challenge. So first we have to accept an n cross n matrix as input and then an integer x. And our task is to rotate the n cross n matrix by x degrees whenever the value of x is divisible by 90, or else we have to print invalid as output. First let us see how to rotate a matrix by 90 degree. To do that, first we have to find its transpose and then reverse every rows of the matrix. Let us see it with a sample example. So let us consider this is our input matrix and we have to rotate it by 90 degrees. So to do that, first we are finding its transpose. That is, we are converting every rows into column and every columns into row. So here we can see that the first row was 1, 2, 3 and now it has become the first column. So 1, 2, 3. And now similarly the first column was 1, 4, 7 and now it has become the first row of the transpose matrix. So first we are finding the transpose of the matrix and then we are going to reverse every row of this transpose matrix. So the first row 1, 4, 7 when reversed becomes 7, 4, 1. And similarly the second row 2, 5, 8 becomes 8, 5, 2 and then 3, 6, 9 becomes 9, 6, 3. So now when we compare this matrix and our input matrix, we can see that this matrix is rotated by 90 degree. So this is how we rotate a matrix by 90 degrees. Now let us see our sample input 1. So here we are given a 4 cross 4 matrix as input and then the value of x is 270, which means we have to rotate this 4 cross 4 matrix by 270 degrees. To do that, what we are going to do is we are going to rotate this matrix by 90 degree for 3 times. So 90 plus 90 plus 90 would become 270 degree. And when we do so, this would be our output formed. So let us see how to implement a C program for this. So first I have declared two variables n and x and then I have accepted the value of n and then using a nested for loop I am accepting a n cross n matrix and then finally I am accepting the value of x and then I am checking whether the value of x is divisible by 90, because we are given in the question that if the value of x is not divisible by 90 then we have to print invalid. So we are just going to perform operations only when x mod 90 is equal to 0, or else we would be just printing invalid, which is here. So let us see the operations which we are performing inside this if condition. Inside the if condition, first of all there is a for loop and this for loop iterates for x by 90 times. In every iterations the matrix is rotated by 90 degrees within the for loop, so that we are iterating it from 0 till x by 90. And in every iteration there are two nested for loops. In the first nested for loop we are just finding the transpose of the matrix, and in the next nested for loop we are reversing the row elements of the transposed matrix. So first let us see how this transposing works. So in the nested for loop, the first loop iterates from 0 to n and the second loop iterates from I to n. And in every iteration we are swapping matrix of ij with matrix of ji. So when this nested for loop finishes its execution, we would have obtained the transposed matrix. And here in the second nested for loop, the first I loop iterates from 0 to n and the second j loop iterates from 0 to n by 2. And in every iteration we are swapping matrix of ij with matrix of I n minus 1 minus j. So when both of these nested for loop finishes their execution, the matrix would have been rotated for 90 degrees. And when this for loop finishes its execution, the matrix would have been rotated by x degrees. So after the execution of this for loop, finally we are just printing the current value of the matrix, which would be our required output. So let us give our sample test cases and check whether this program works or not. So I have given the first sample input and our expected output is here. So we are also getting the same value. So now I have given the sample input 2 and here the value of x is 45. So our expected output is invalid and we are also getting invalid. So this is the logic behind today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.